At SignUp, there are several quick and easy ways to invite people to participate. To get started, open your SignUps organizer view by clicking the SignUp title here on your dashboard. On a smartphone, tap Share to see your invitation options. On a computer or tablet, click the Invite tab. The first option, Send an email through SignUp, is ideal for inviting individuals or small groups. Type or paste email addresses. Just avoid group addresses like Google Groups or listservs. You can also add people from previous signups or from a contact list using these drop-down menus. Duplicate addresses are automatically merged, so no one will receive more than one invitation. To personalize your message, type it in the message box. Click Send Invitations when you're ready. Each person will receive a unique link tied to their email address, so the system recognizes them when they sign up. This option ensures that only invited participants can access the sign-up. Want to invite a larger group? Choose Get a shareable link to copy and paste into a group email, text, newsletter, or web page. Anyone with the link can sign up. You can also invite people via social media. Click a platform icon or copy the suggested post into your own feed. Need to embed your sign-up on a website? Copy the HTML code provided. If you're not familiar with HTML, send the code to your webmaster. Teachers also have the option to send group text messages through Remind, now part of ParentSquare. On mobile, you also have the option to send text invitations to contacts in your address book. However, personal email invitations must be sent from a large screen device. To invite people to multiple signups with one message, go to the My Tools tab on your computer and choose Advanced Messaging. Select the Invite option here. You can select participants from past signups, group pages, or your contact list. Customize your subject and message, then choose which signups or group page links include. Finally, send yourself a preview, then click Send to deliver the invitations. Participants will love how easy it is to sign up. With just a few clicks from any device, no password required. Thanks for using SignUp, the easiest way to bring people together.